Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. If you are looking for a fun let's build it together type of present, there is LEGO's Women in NASA set. Can you find the mistake the builder of this set made? They have May, Jemison, and Sally Ride's names reversed. One of the women in the LEGO set is Nancy G. Roman, who, although not the mother of a human being, is considered the mother of the Hubble. She was also NASA's first chief of astronomy. At age 92, she was featured in the 2017 LEGO set and stated that of all her many honors, and there are many, the LEGO set was the most fun. As we can all appreciate, mothers are amazing. From making you your favorite cookies to helping you figure out a strange rash that has appeared on your skin, or at least bugging you until you go to the doctor to get it checked out. Interestingly, astronauts suffer quite a variety of strange rashes and skin disturbances in space. There are a multitude of reasons and theories for space rashes. I doubt any of the astronauts phoned home to their moms to get a diagnosis, but now the universe seems to have an unexplained rash. Throughout March and April and now into May, there have been news blips concerning more and more little red dots appearing throughout the universe. This is a picture captured by Webb's NRI CAM. Composite images put together used infrared filters to sample wavelengths. Monochromatic exposures were assigned the colors red, green, and blue for clarity. Like tiny photobombers, cosmic anomalies resembling small red bright points show up in almost every snapshot taken by the most powerful space telescope ever made. Astronomers call them little red dots, or LRDs. Jenny Green, an astrophysicist and professor at Princeton University, states, "I certainly think they're powered by growing black holes, but there are other, more exotic suggestions, like some kind of very massive star dying." An expert in supermassive black holes and galaxy evolution, she explained that she believes a black hole as the main component of LRDs fits the largest number of the observations made of the objects so far. There is no agreement yet on what exactly they are. Jenny says, "This is the first time in my career that I have studied an object where we truly do not understand why it looks the way it does. I think it's fair to call them a mystery." An article from NASA states, "Astronomers have sifted through James Webb Space Telescope data from multiple surveys to compile one of the largest samples of little red dots, LRDs, to date. The team started with the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science, which is SEERS, survey before widening their scope to other extragalactic legacy fields, including the James Webb Space Telescope Advanced Deep Extragalactic Survey, which is acronym JADES, and the Next Generation Deep Extragalactic Exploratory Public, which is NGDEEP survey. From their sample, they found that these mysterious red objects that appear small in the sky emerge in large numbers around 600 million years after the Big Bang and undergo a rapid decline in quantity around 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang. Spectroscopic data of some of the LRDs in their sample, provided by the Red Unknowns, Bright Infrared Extragalactic Survey, RUBIES, suggest that many are accreting black holes. The JWST's NearCam instrument captured this image of Galaxy Canucks LRD Z8.6, only 570 million years after the Big Bang. Canucks LRD Z8.6 is one of the small, very distant, and strikingly red galaxies called little red dots, which have been spotted in increasing numbers by Webb surveys of the early universe. This next photo is called The Rise and Fall of Little Red Dots. However, I couldn't find an explanation nor a credit for the chart. A recent paper in Astronomy and Astrophysics adds weight to another growing hypothesis that the little red dots are not permanent structures but short-lived phases in galaxy evolution. These small, red, and unusually bright objects, first identified in the Webb data, are often linked to rapidly growing black holes in the early universe. Their origin has remained unclear, with competing theories suggesting everything from obscured quasars to entirely new types of galaxies. Astronomers may have to turn to other departments to solve the LRD mystery. Or maybe we just need to go ask Mom.